There have been a number of changes to the TradingView app, and this has made switching to the dark color theme or the light color theme a little bit tricky. So I want to show you how you can do that. Now, to get started, go to the top right hand corner and click on these three dots. And here you have the dark theme, light theme, or the system theme, which sets the theme based on your browser or operating system. So here I'm going to change it to the dark color theme, but the chart is still white. So right click on a chart, click on settings, go to the canvas option here. For the background, you can set it to a black theme like this, or a dark gray theme, or any other color that you want. You can also customize the grid lines here. So currently I have them set at 6%. Let's change the color to white and here to white. And I can also make them a little bit more visible. And this we can change to black and then click on OK. And then we have the dark color theme. And then if you want to switch it back again, click on the three dots, set it to the light color theme, and then over here you can click on settings and revert it back. Alternatively, what you can do is you can save a chart template. So once you set it up, you save it as a template and then you can just click on it and instantly you have your chart. Okay, hope this has been helpful.